flash flood warning for the following counties: Washington, Fayette and Westmoreland counties. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Washington County in southwest Pennsylvania, northwestern Fayette County in southwest Pennsylvania, southwestern Westmoreland County in southwest Pennsylvania, until 7 o'clock p.m. At 4:05 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain from a cluster of thunderstorms near Belvin and across southeast Washington County, moving east at 15 mph. Radar estimates that 1 to 2 inches of rain an hour may be falling from these slow-moving thunderstorms. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles, so do not cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low-water crossings. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot. Move up to higher ground. Please report high water to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772.